Everybody wonders what happens to your credit score in Chapter 13. Well, today I'm going to show you what happened to mine. Let me be real with you, it's not pretty. After I filed, I kind of just stuck my head in the sand and didn't even want to look at my credit scores. I felt like I was ruined anyway, so what was the point? When I finally did pull my scores, I found out I was in pretty bad shape, to say the least. And it's not just because of the bankruptcy either. I made a lot of bad decisions even after I filed. I even grabbed a payday loan while I was in bankruptcy, just to eat. I keep telling people, Chapter 13 is not a magic pill. Filing bankruptcy and not addressing the underlying problem only compounds the damage. I'm not talking from a soapbox. I'm telling you what I've lived. So if you're curious what really happens when behaviors don't change, stick around because these numbers might actually shock you. I'm going to log into Experian and show you exactly what that damage looked like after 3 years of ignoring it. These are my real numbers after 3 years of bankruptcy payments and compounded bad decisions. Experian 467, Equifax 491, TransUnion 481. That's an average of about 480 across all three agencies. Let that sink in for a second. 480. Some people would see that and give up, but today I'm choosing to see it as a ground floor. For those who watched my previous videos, you know my backstory. The hits didn't stop coming after I filed bankruptcy. Like I said before, Chapter 13 actually made my life hard at first because of job losses, injuries, and trying to maintain a lifestyle I couldn't afford. Add all that together, and I was destined for trouble. So yes, I actually created more debt while in Chapter 13. And yes, that's possible. But here's the good news for me. I finally decided to show up. For 3 years I hid from this. I didn't check my credit, didn't want to see it, just let it rot. But today, I'm facing it head on because hiding hasn't fixed a thing. Facing it won't magically fix it, but ignoring it for 3 years sure hasn't helped. I'm putting it all out there, not for sympathy, but because I know somebody else watching this is in the same spot. You're tired, you're working yourself to death, and you don't even want to see your credit score because you already know it's ugly. That was me. So yeah, 3 years in, my numbers are ugly. Ugly but temporary. This video marks the starting line for me, and from here on out, I'm not running from it anymore. I'm going to be showing you every step I take to rebuild. The disputes I file, the pay for delete letters I send, the accounts I rehab, the tools I use. And when I finally come out of the other side of Chapter 13, I have proof that you can climb back from even the worst mistakes. So if you're in the middle of this too, don't give up. The score doesn't define you, but facing it is the only way to change it. 480 might be my starting point, but it's not going to be my ending point. And if you want to see how this plays out in real time, stick around. In my next video, I'll pull my actual credit report line by line and show you exactly what bad decisions I have to face and what I'm going to do first. Also, if you're struggling and you're ready to start taking back control of your finances, my starting place was tracking where my money was actually going. Don't forget to grab my free budget tracker linked in the description. It's a simple way for you to find the holes in your budget too. Thanks to all my new subscribers for all the support. It's letting me know that I'm not fighting this fight alone, and I really appreciate you all. Stay blessed, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next one.